Title insurance protects you from a lot, like conveyances by undisclosed divorced spouses.
Part of the conveyance process, which is what it's called when property is transferred from one party to another, involves checking and researching the records to see who has owned the property in the past and who owns it now. But sometimes there are factors that don't appear or are not found in the records. An undisclosed spouse with an unrecorded interest in the property is a good example because it's not uncommon for such a person to appear. It's important to have protection that title insurance can afford.
Title insurance also protects your interests on deeds by persons falsely representing their marital status.
Real property cannot legally be transferred to a new owner without that property having a clear ownership history. That's why property owners are often required to state their marital status on a real estate deed. If a person dies and you buy their property, you need to know whether there's a spouse in the picture and be assured that his or her rights are also being conveyed with the sale. Problems can occur, however, when the marital status on a deed has been falsely represented. Out of nowhere, you could find yourself in court defending your right to a property that a previous owner's spouse is claiming a right to. This can be really expensive without title insurance.
And don't forget the need for title protection should there be undisclosed heirs.
You may think you own a piece of property outright, but a previous owner's heirs who weren't disclosed for whatever reason may appear out of nowhere and claim ownership to your property. Title insurance can protect you from that.
Protecting your title is especially important on community property issues.
The definition of community property can vary, but typically it refers to any property that one of the spouses acquires during the course of the marriage. Community property issues, such as a divorced spouse conveying property that legally belongs equally to his or her ex, can come up unexpectedly. When they do, the time and money lost in trying to prove your rightful ownership can be overwhelming, unless you have title insurance.